Job loss, a journey of resilience, reinvention, and growth. Job loss is one of the most life-altering events we can experience, affecting not only our financial stability but also our identity, self-esteem, and mental well-being. For many, a job isn't just a source of income, it's a source of purpose, community, and structure. When that's taken away, it's natural to feel overwhelmed, anxious, and uncertain about the future. However, while this experience is undoubtedly painful, it also offers a unique opportunity to build resilience, redefine personal goals, and even embark on a journey of self-discovery. In this guide, we'll explore the emotional, psychological, and practical steps to handle job loss, turn adversity into an advantage, and ultimately reinvent oneself for a fulfilling new chapter. Understanding the emotional impact of job loss. When faced with the sudden news of job loss, the initial response is often one of shock. There's a moment of disbelief, where you may find yourself asking, "Why me?" Or "What did I do wrong?" This shock can be followed by a cascade of emotions, including anger, sadness, and even shame. Many compare the experience to grief, and in a way, that's exactly what it is, a grieving process for the loss of a way of life. Psychiatrist Elizabeth Kubler-Ross famously outlined the 5 stages of grief: denial, anger, bargaining, depression, and acceptance. These stages are relevant to job loss, as they capture the emotional journey of processing the change. Denial may look like telling oneself that it's a mistake, or perhaps assuming that things will return to normal quickly. Anger might manifest as frustration towards management, the company, or even oneself. The bargaining stage can involve attempts to negotiate with former employers or wishful thinking about what could have been done differently. Depression, though temporary, is often a part of the process, where feelings of sadness and low self-worth take over. Finally, acceptance is reached when we come to terms with the situation and begin to move forward. A helpful way to work through these emotions is to label them. By naming what you feel, whether it's anger, sadness, or frustration, you create some distance from these intense emotions and make them easier to process. Talking to trusted friends or family members can also be incredibly cathartic. Brené Brown, in her book Daring Greatly, reminds us that vulnerability is not a weakness but rather a sign of courage. Sharing your story, your frustrations, and your fears with others can help to release some of the emotional burden and remind you that you're not alone. Rebuilding self-confidence after job loss. One of the most immediate impacts of job loss is on self-confidence. Our jobs often become closely tied to our sense of identity and value. Losing that job can lead to feelings of self-doubt and diminished self-worth. This is especially true if the layoff was sudden or accompanied by negative feedback. However, rather than letting job loss define you, it can be useful to view it as an opportunity to redefine yourself. Psychologist Viktor Frankl, in his book Man's Search for Meaning, wrote about the importance of finding meaning in adversity. Frankl's insights serve as a reminder that even in difficult times, there is a chance to grow. To rebuild confidence, begin by listing your strengths, accomplishments, and positive contributions in previous roles. Remind yourself of the unique value you bring to the table. Reconnect with what you enjoyed most about your previous job, the skills you used, and the achievements you're most proud of. Reflect on feedback you've received from colleagues and supervisors, and keep these positive affirmations at the forefront of your mind. This practice of self-acknowledgement can help you shift your perspective from "I've lost my job" to "I have valuable skills and experience that can benefit a new role." The goal is to restore your confidence and affirm that your worth goes beyond a job title. Taking control of finances during transition. Job loss naturally brings up financial concerns. Managing your finances carefully is essential to minimize stress during this transition period. Start by evaluating your current financial situation. List all sources of income, savings, and essential expenses. Books like Your Money or Your Life by Joe Dominguez and Vicki Robin provide excellent advice on budgeting and financial tracking, emphasizing the importance of clarity and mindfulness in managing finances. Set up a budget that covers only necessary expenses, such as rent or mortgage, groceries, and utilities, while reducing discretionary spending. If you have an emergency savings fund, draw from it with caution and keep track of every expense. Consider reaching out to creditors to negotiate payment extensions, especially if you have loans or mortgage payments. Many institutions have programs specifically designed for individuals facing temporary financial hardship. Finally, look into local or government assistance programs. Unemployment benefits, food assistance, and temporary financial aid can provide a much-needed buffer. There's no shame in seeking assistance during this time. It's a resource that exists to help you get back on your feet. Creating a productive daily routine. Without the structure of a job, it can be easy to slip into unproductive habits, which can contribute to feelings of discouragement. Establishing a daily routine can help create a sense of purpose and structure, which are crucial for mental well-being. Begin each day with specific goals, even if they are small ones. For instance, set goals for job applications, skill-building activities, and self-care practices. Time management expert Cal Newport, in Deep Work, emphasizes the power of focus. Consider structuring your day in blocks of time dedicated to specific tasks. You could allocate an hour to updating your resume, another hour to skill building, and an hour for networking. Use tools like planners, calendars, or digital apps to organize your schedule. This structured approach provides both focus and motivation, ensuring that each day feels purposeful and productive. In addition to professional activities, incorporate wellness practices into your routine. Activities like exercise, meditation, and journaling can be grounding and help maintain a positive mindset. Journaling, in particular, can be a powerful tool for self-reflection and emotional release. By writing about your thoughts, frustrations, and aspirations, you can process the transition and track your growth over time. Networking and building relationships. Networking can feel challenging, especially during a period of job loss, but it's one of the most effective ways to discover new opportunities. Keith Ferrazzi's Never Eat Alone emphasizes the importance of building genuine, long-term connections rather than just transactional relationships. Reach out to former colleagues, mentors, and friends, not with an immediate request but to reconnect and seek advice. Networking doesn't have to be about directly asking for a job, it's about building relationships that could lead to future opportunities. Schedule virtual coffee chats, attend webinars, or join industry events. Social media platforms like LinkedIn can be invaluable here. Updating your LinkedIn profile and sharing posts or articles relevant to your industry demonstrates your engagement and expertise. Engaging with posts, commenting on articles, and joining discussions allows you to connect authentically with people in your field. By actively networking, you increase your visibility and may come across opportunities that aren't advertised. Many job openings are filled through referrals, so these connections can be instrumental in finding the next role that's right for you. Upskilling, preparing for the job market. One of the best ways to make the most of your time between jobs is to build new skills. In today's job market, digital literacy, data analytics, and project management skills are increasingly in demand. Platforms like Coursera, LinkedIn Learning, and Udacity offer affordable or even free courses in these areas, allowing you to gain relevant and valuable knowledge. Select skills that complement your existing experience and are relevant to your career goals. For instance, if you're in marketing, digital marketing or data analytics can be excellent skills to add to your toolkit. If you're in management, consider project management methodologies like Agile or Scrum. Certifications in these areas not only make you more competitive but also demonstrate a commitment to self-improvement. Continually learning can also help maintain a sense of purpose. Each course completed or new skill acquired provides a tangible achievement, reminding you that this period of transition is, in fact, a period of growth. Job hunting in today's market. Today's job market is dynamic and technology-driven, and adapting to these changes can be crucial to a successful job search. Tailoring your application materials to each job is essential. This is where AI tools can be especially helpful. Many companies use applicant tracking systems, ATS, to screen resumes. Research common keywords associated with your target role and incorporate them into your resume naturally. Tools like ChatGPT can also assist with crafting cover letters or refining application language. In addition to tailoring applications, building an online presence is essential. LinkedIn, in particular, can serve as your digital resume. Regularly posting articles, sharing relevant industry insights, and engaging with others on the platform shows that you're involved in your field. It also increases your visibility to recruiters and hiring managers. When it comes to interviewing, practice answering questions using the STAR technique: situation, task, action, result, to structure responses. Practicing over video calls can help prepare you for the virtual interview format, which has become increasingly common. Each interview is an opportunity to refine your approach and learn more about what employers are looking for. Considering alternative career paths. Sometimes, a job loss can be an invitation to explore new directions. If traditional employment doesn't seem like the right fit, consider freelancing, consulting, or gig work as potential options. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr allow you to offer your skills for short-term projects. This experience can not only provide income but also allow you to build a portfolio of work, which can be useful in landing future roles or attracting clients if you decide to continue freelancing. Additionally, side projects, consulting, or starting a small business are other paths to consider. Eric is the lean startup advocates for testing ideas quickly and learning from the results. Freelance projects or consulting roles allow you to gain insights and test different roles before committing to any one direction. You might find that one of these alternative paths leads to fulfilling work you hadn't previously considered. Building resilience and embracing setbacks. Job hunting is filled with highs and lows, and it's natural to feel discouraged after setbacks. Remember that resilience doesn't mean avoiding failure, it means learning to navigate and grow from challenges. Psychologist Angela Duckworth's grit describes resilience as the ability to persevere through challenges and setbacks. Reframe each rejection as a stepping stone toward your next opportunity. Consider seeking constructive feedback from interviewers to improve your approach. Celebrate small wins along the way. Completing a course, landing an interview, or even updating your resume are achievements that contribute to your growth. By acknowledging these milestones, you remind yourself of the progress you're making, even if it doesn't always feel like it. Moving forward, landing the job and setting a new path. After months of persistence, reflection, and growth, the moment may come when you land a new job. This is a time to reflect on the journey, recognizing the resilience, skills, and knowledge you've gained. Viktor Frankl's insight, when we are no longer able to change a situation, we are challenged to change ourselves, resonates strongly here. You may have learned more about your strengths, values, and passions through this process than you might have in any single role. As you settle into your new role, carry these lessons forward. Continue setting aside time for skill building and networking, as today's job market is always evolving. Maintaining your financial resilience and keeping a network of contacts will serve you well in the future. This journey will have taught you that job loss isn't the end, it's a beginning, an opportunity to redefine your career, align with your true strengths, and embrace a more fulfilling path. Final reflections. Job loss can feel like one of life's biggest setbacks, but it also holds the potential for tremendous personal growth. By focusing on resilience, networking, learning, and flexibility, you can emerge stronger, more skilled, and more confident. Remember, job loss isn't a defeat, it's a chance to reinvent yourself, find new opportunities, and build a career that aligns with your purpose and strengths. This journey may be challenging, but it's one that can lead to a more rewarding, fulfilling life and career. Good luck. And thank you for watching.